How's everybody doing today? A company named by VGR sent me out a clipper to test out, and this is the V-001 clipper, guys. So let's get right into this unboxing so I can show you guys how this turned out. VGR definitely knows how to promote their products. Not only are their clippers very unique, but their packaging has so much going on that it stands out and grabs your attention immediately. Upon opening the box, you will find a poster of the clippers, but if you look behind it, it's a breakdown of everything in the box. You also get an owner's manual, and like I said earlier, VGR has a very unique clipper here. And for those who are curious, it does come with a charging stand, which is a plus. As far as guards go, you get a half clip all the way up to a number 8. You also get a brush, which you can use to either clean off your clippers or to knock the hair off your clients. You get a very generous amount of oil, which you can use to lubricate your clippers. This clipper does come with USB Type-C charging, so you do get a cable, and you also get a charging brick, which is awesome, but that's not all. You also get this rubber grip that you can put on the clipper itself. Now, to get started with the star of the show, the VGR's V-001 clipper. This is a very sturdy machine, a very unique design, which I am very happy with. It does have a good amount of weight to it. There is an off button right in the center, but look guys, it has an adjustment knob for the RPMs. It goes from 7,000 all the way up to 9,000 RPMs, and it has a runtime of 260 minutes, which equals 4.5 hours. It has a built-in light to it. A built-in light, guys. There's not a lot of machines out there that do that. But look, my favorite part about this is that it comes with an actual fade blade. Not a vapor blade, an actual fade blade. It also has a clicky lever, which is not the best in my opinion, but it gets the job done, and it is still satisfying to have a clicky lever. And let's not forget about this charging stand, which is a big plus. First impressions about using this clipper. It is very heavy, but that goes for the build quality of it. I have not mentioned the price on this, and guys, this ranges from $60 all the way up to $90 US. So from my opinion, this can do everything. This can fade, this can debulk. The clipper over comb with this is outstanding. Now let's get into who is this clipper for. I do believe this clipper is for everybody, beginners all the way up to a seasoned barber. For beginners though, you might have to get used to the weight, and for seasoned barbers, I believe that you're gonna have to get used to where the RPM adjustment knob is, because a lot of us do put our thumbs there, so that might be a downside to it. But I would still not shy away from trying out this clipper, because honestly it is very good, especially at the price point that it's at. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day. Hope this video helps anybody out.